Cattle farming. Cattle are large farm animals that people raise for milk, meat, and farm work. They are found in many parts of the world and are very important to humans. Let's learn more about their habitat, diet, behavior, importance, and challenges. Cattle live in many places, including farms and ranches, grasslands and open fields and mountains. Cattle need a lot of space to move around. Farmers provide shelter to protect them from the sun, rain, and cold weather. In hot weather, cattle stay in the shade and drink lots of water. And in cold weather, they grow thicker fur and huddle together for warmth. Cattle help people in many ways. First is milk. Cows give milk, which is used to make cheese, butter, and yogurt. Next is the meat. Beef is a major food in many countries. Next is leather. Cattle skin is used to make shoes, bags, and belts. Next is farming. In some places, cattle help plow fields and carry heavy loads. And lastly, it creates jobs to many people. Many people work in cattle farming, meat processing, and dairy production. Cattle eat grass, hay, and grains like corn and soybeans. And in rainy seasons, they eat fresh grass, and in dry seasons, farmers gave them stored food like hay and silage. Fun facts about cattle. Cows have 4 stomachs to help them digest food. Cattle can see almost 360 degrees around them, and cows only sleep 4 hours a day, mostly while standing. So as you can see, cattle are amazing animals. They help farmers, give us food, and are important in many places around the world. However, farmers must take good care of them and manage resources wisely to keep cattle farming sustainable and profitable.